Hi everyone. I haven't done an unboxing video in a really long time. In fact, since I first started using doTERRA, so I got a pretty big order and some of our new products are in, so I thought I would open the box on video and you guys can see what we got and how things are packaged, and I'll explain some of the stuff that I'm opening. And I am joined by my fabulous co-host. Hello, sweet girl. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. I love you. Oh, she's so fun. Okay, so literally have not even opened this box yet, so. Are you excited? Are you excited? Talk to me. Okay, I won't hit my camera holder here. My handy dandy box holder. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this because I'm really excited about this. I just realized, and I don't know how long this has been out, but I just realized that the vitamins that I've been taking for 2 years, they come in, so this is what it looks like, but this is the packets. So I got this because I was so excited that I don't have to go and, I mean, it's 2 of each pill. There's 3 different pills. It's 2 of each pill twice a day. So when I'm doing my little pill case, they're already, that's one morning right there. That's really easy. Just put those right in my pill case and I'm done. So it's gonna save me a little bit of time, which is exciting. But there's a 30-day supply in this box. Otherwise, it comes in a box like this, and there's 3 bottles in there. The main thing that this does, for me, it's really helped my skin. I haven't had a breakout in almost 2 years. I used to have really bad zits and like deep, those deep like hormonal zits on my chin area, my jawline. I used to get on the back of my neck. This has really helped with my acne. It's also helped reduce inflammation in my knees, so I don't have as much joint pain whenever I'm like going up and down stairs. And my hair is healthier. My nails are really healthy. Let me think what else. It's definitely helped with hormone balance. And let's see. Well, let me read what it does. The general benefits are general wellness and vitality, antioxidant and DNA protection, energy and metabolism. What? Bone health, immune function, stress management, cardiovascular health, healthy hair, skin, and nails, eye, brain, nervous system, liver function and digestive health, lung and respiratory health, gentle on your stomach, and does not contain genetically modified material, and it's dairy free. So there's more information on this if you want to read more of the details of exactly what's in it. You can go to my website, which I will comment below. But this is one of the best products that we have, and it's a top seller, so for a good reason too. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. This is so exciting. I got 2 of these because I go through them. I love this stuff. It's the doTERRA Spa Body Wash. So it's made with grapefruit, bergamot, cedarwood. Looks like those are the main oils that are in here. So it smells really good. It lathers up really nice. So I love that. I use that. I just ran out, so it was perfect timing that I got that in. I got this for free because I did the 200 PV order. So I actually did it last month and this month because I can't get enough of this stuff. The Deep Blue Rub is a proprietary blend of oils that help with sore muscles, sore joints. It helps with soothing inflammation. So this is really good to put on like your knees if you're going to go running. It's really great to put on after you've worked out or run. But it has a great mixture of oils in it: wintergreen, camphor, sweet almond, peppermint, eucalyptus, ylang ylang, blue chamomile, blue tansy, helichrysum, osmanthus. Yeah, good stuff. So it smells really great and it feels really great. I think I also got, oh, that's something else. Yeah, so I got also the special that with the deep blue rub, you also get the deep blue oil, which is a 5 milliliter, and it's the main blend, that oil blend. All that stuff that I just read off to you is in the deep blue blend. So you can use this in a, comes in an oil form too, so it's, you can just put it right on your skin. Oftentimes with coconut oil, just helps it go on easier. The Breathe Roll-On is the free product of the month for April. So if you do 125 PV or more, then you get this with your order for free. So that's awesome. You just roll it right on your chest to help open up your airways. It's great for people that have asthma. If you have congestion, it should help open up some of your airways. My friend Christy, she also taught me something really cool that no one had ever said to me before, but she actually rolls it on her wrist right before she goes to bed because she sleeps with her hands near her head under her pillow or on top of her pillow, and she said it just really helps her to breathe easy while she's sleeping. So I thought that was a really cool idea. I have not tried that yet, but I like the idea. Let's see. This is our new product. It just came out, I believe, the end of March. It's Douglas fir and Greek orange. I wish I kind of am stuffed up, so it's a little bit hard for me to smell right now. But this is actually specifically made to be gentle on your skin, so it does not have baking soda free, because some people, their skin is sensitive to that part. So it's a non-toxic formula. None of our deodorants have aluminum. So we also have a Balance Blend deodorant, and we have a Citrus Bliss deodorant, and a beautiful blend deodorant, I believe. All three of those they have the baking soda in them. So if you're sensitive, then you'd want to get this kind. This is our brand new one. Oh man, what I can smell smells really good. Douglas fir and Greek orange. Okay, so back to the deep blue. We have these deep blue polyphenol complex. They're supplements, and my best way, so it has frankincense, curcumin, and loaded with polyphenols that are used as an internal solution for soreness or discomfort. So this is really great if you have stiff joints, if you have, joint pain or discomfort, or if you've pulled a muscle or something. I have found that this has been really helpful when I have lower back pain. There's 60 veggie caps in one of these bottles. So I usually do one in the morning, one at night, depending on how much pain I'm in. But this is really nice. It's I call it a natural pain pill. It's just, there's no side effects on your stomach like you'd have with taking Advil or Tylenol long term. So I really like these a lot. You agree? Yes, ma'am. I ordered some of these sample packets of Deep Blue Rub. So I have there's 10 in each one. So I want to be able to share these with some people. So if anybody's interested that's local to me in Sasebo, let me know and I will get you one of those. One of my most favorite things ever that we use consistently in this house is the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash. It has the On Guard Immunity Blend in it. It smells like orange, clove, and what's the other main thing that you usually smell in this? Cinnamon. Eucalyptus and rosemary, the other ones that are in it, but smells really good. It's a foaming hand wash, so normally you can order it with the dispensers. That looks like this, and it just is a foaming hand dispenser. So I just keep that dispenser and I just order the refills 2 at a time, and then I fill them up, and they usually last us for a couple months. So, but we use that in our kitchen and our 2 bathrooms, and not only does it keep our hands soft and they don't dry out, they also smell good, and it helps to boost our immune system every time that we use it. So benefiting all around. And Aside from the Lifelong Vitality Pack, I have been taking these two according to Dr. Hill's suggestions. So Dr. Hill is one of our top doctors and scientists for our company. His face is everywhere. He does a bunch of videos. He's super smart guy. These two are recommended to be taken with your Vitality Pack every day. The Terrazyme is meant to help replace the healthy enzymes that we lose whenever we eat processed foods. So I take 2 of these in the morning, 2 of these in the evening, so with breakfast and dinner. Technically, you're supposed to take it with each meal, but I have a hard time doing that, so I just take 2 in the morning, 2 at night. That's that one. And then our PB Assist is a double encapsulated probiotic. So the reason it's double encapsulated is because a lot of times with probiotics, they don't get to your gut. So that's where they're supposed to start doing their job. And so a lot of them break down in your stomach acid and they don't make it all the way to your gut. So these actually are meant to outlast your stomach acid and start working whenever they get to your gut. So really great probiotic. If you want to have help, being more regular, really works. This is such a great probiotic. And yeah, it just says supports healthy digestive functions and immunity. So really just helps get your gut health in shape with that whole combination of the Lifelong Vitality, the Terrazyme, and the PB Assist. And, they make PB Assist for kids too in a packet, a little sachet packet. It's a watermelon flavored powder that they can just pour right in their mouth. I have been giving it to Ellie since she was 1 in one of those syringes that she just takes because it's really good. I just mix it with water and then put it in a syringe and give it to her. And recently I started putting it in a little miniature bowl and with a little bit of water mix it and she'll just drink it. So it tastes really good. You can take it as an adult too, but it's meant, so that kids who can't take pills yet, they can take that and it's really great for their stomach and helps them be regular. So I also got myself a chocolate trim shake. So we have a whole line of products called Slim and Sassy and named appropriately to help with weight management and metabolism. So these, it's called Trim Shake with Essentra Trim and Solathin. So it has some really great vitamins and nutrients. It says 125 milligrams of Essentra Trim, 50 milligrams Solathin, and 8 grams of protein in 1 scoop. Let's see. 70 calories per serving. Can help you lose unwanted fat stores through calorie restriction and regular exercise. Satisfying meal alternative that can be easily blended with milk and water to provide 8 grams of protein per serving. I usually do this I'll do 1 scoop and then I use almond milk and half or whole banana and some frozen blueberries to make it cold. I will do banana and strawberry. I've done banana and peanut butter. You can pretty much, just like you would do with any other shake. But this is really great. And I've noticed when I drink these that I'm not as hungry throughout the day. So it really helps with curbing cravings and boosting metabolism. And it tastes delicious. This is our other brand new product that just came in. Oh my gosh, don't fall. It's the ginger digestive drops with lemon. So they're actually meant to help to ease your stomach if you're having stomach upset issues. Support healthy digestion, ease occasional indigestion, and reduce feelings of nausea associated with motion. So it's got... Whoa! It's okay. It's okay. Mama's almost done. It has organic cane sugar, organic brown rice syrup, ginger oil, and lemon oil. That's all that's in it. So I'm excited to try these. They should taste pretty good. And what's the matters? Getting tired of Mama talking and not to you? I'm sorry. Also, I got our On Guard laundry detergent. So this is really nice. I love using this because my daughter, I think both my daughters now have sensitive skin. My husband has very sensitive skin. So this is really great to use. It's super concentrated, so you only need like a tiny little bit in this capful. So this is a small bottle, but it lasts a really long time. So I really like the fact that, yeah, it says 1/4 of a cap, which is 1 tablespoon. Well, that's cool. It says there's a 10 milliliter On Guard in every bottle. 10 milliliter doTERRA. Oh, okay. 10 milliliters of On Guard in every bottle. So that's, not only is it smelling really good and it's washing your clothes and it's chemical free, but it also is helping your immune system by putting this stuff like in your clothes. So you're smelling it and your olfactory receptors are able to recognize that those oils. Oh, you can use it as a stain. You can use it as a stain remover directly on the stain. Let it sit for 3 to 10 minutes. Wash as directed. If you have stubborn stains, reapply the detergent before the garment is dry and repeat the wash cycle. What's wrong with my baby? Come here. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, can you hang out like that for the rest? I'm almost done. And then I went ahead and bought 2 of the Mother's Day specials because I knew they were going to sell out. And I thought that someone will probably be begging me for one. So if I need to sell someone one directly, I will. But it comes with this brand new, I'm so excited. I hope I can smell this. This is our new Citrus Bloom oil blend. Let me see if I can smell it. Oh man, I smell citrus, but I don't think I can get the full effect. Can you smell that? Smell? No? Okay. Oh, it smells like citrus flowers though. It smells really good from what I can tell. So Citrus Bloom, it has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia. Like, oh my God. I love that. I love smells like that. So that is the oil blend that comes with this new Brevi diffuser. Sorry, bear with me, one-handed. I think this is just such a beautiful diffuser. I have the walnut. It looks black to me, but I have the walnut version of this one. And they just came out with this beautiful white marble one. So I also like the fact that it looks like a speaker, but it's not. So if you can look closely, it has a 2, 5, and 10-hour timer. See? I know it's not really focusing very well. And then you hit the mist button to do 2, 5, or 10 hours. And then it has, I think it has 7 light colors. So on the, out of this part, there's lights that change colors. You can do a changing color setting, or you can just set it on one particular color. So, yeah, so that was everything that I got this month. I ordered a big order because I was trying to get the 200 PV again. And then I also have another order that I placed because I forgot that I needed something else. And so I was able to use a bunch of my points to get free stuff. So I'm going to do probably another video to show how much free stuff I got from my most recent order because I used a bunch of my points and I got a bunch of free oils. So yeah, so that was just a really good description of some of our products. It's just to give you an idea of a wide range of what we have. We have a lot more. If you're interested, please go to my website, mydoterra.com/AliciaDuff1. If you guys have any questions or need any help with anything, please let me know. It was so great seeing you. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Look, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.